Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export and share Claude project settings using the alternative Markdown consolidation prompt method. This is the perfect fix if you want the assistant tool to automatically gather your hidden instructions and file summaries into a single clean text sheet for you without having to highlight or copy individual boxes by hand. Step 1. Open your target workspace and start a brand new chat session. The first step is to open your regular web browser window, click on your active project dashboard space, and launch a completely fresh chat box line. Move your mouse arrow over to your left project panel display view, click on the workspace bundle you want to extract, and click the center button labeled Start a New Chat to clear your screen canvas rows. Verify that your screen layout displays a blank chat line box that is completely linked to your current project's knowledge base directory. Because the assistant has direct background access to its own active rules and knowledge folder lists, by issuing a structured consolidation command, you force the engine to automatically retrieve your identity settings, word avoidance lists, and data sheets, organizing them into one neat, unified layout instantly. Step 3. Generate the portable Markdown artifact document. The third step is to let the tool compile your workspace settings into a separate clean window container layout on your monitor screen view. Watch your text screen lines scroll down as the assistant builds a dedicated code window block or document asset container labeled with a Markdown file extension tag. Confirm that the printed artifact output block contains every word of your custom instructions layout alongside short descriptive paragraphs for each attached reference file. Move your mouse pointer to the lower right section of the generated document box, click the single download or copy icon button, and drop the saved file straight onto your desk space. Open the file on your local machine to verify that your full workspace roadmap reads beautifully, then send it to your team file share area. And that's it. To export and share Claude project settings, you first open your project dashboard and launch a completely fresh chat session on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the chat row to type the comprehensive document consolidation prompt method on your screen canvas rows. Then you let the assistant compile your instructions and file descriptions into a single portable document artifact inside your view. Finally, you click the one-touch download button to save the text spec sheet to your computer to activate your shared template instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.